Hey everybody, it's Brian. I have this pygmy date palm I got last fall, and it's time to put it in a new home. Now, this palm could probably survive most winters in the ground where I'm at in zone 8, but because this is a pygmy date palm, that means it's going to only grow to about 6 feet tall max inside this pot. I'm squeezing the pot to get it loose of the soil, and it's going to slide right out. I want to untangle the roots here next. If I don't untangle the roots, they're going to stay bound, or potentially, not always, but they can stay bound in the shape of the pot and not actually grow properly. I try and use a little bit of care while pulling these apart so I don't damage the roots. They're going to get some damage, but you don't want to just come in here smashing and going crazy. Try and save as much as you can, but don't worry about it if a little bit gets damaged. Now, I already had the soil in the pot prepared. It's dug up from another spot in my yard, mixed in with some perlite and some chicken manure. I do need to make some space here, making sure that when I put the plant in, it's going to be at the level I want it inside the pot. Once that's done, I'm adding the extra dirt, and this one is done. I am going to move it back inside for now. The nights are still pretty cold here. Not enough to really damage the plant, but there's no point in putting it in cold when it doesn't need to be in cold. So it'll go back inside for now, and I'll bring it back out once the nights get a little bit warmer. And it's going to do great inside the house in winters. I've got a good spot it'll sit. It'll get some good sun even in the winter, and it'll do really well in this pot outside in the summers. Like and subscribe for more videos on tropical and subtropical plants grown in cold weather environments. Happy growing.